Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
We're live at the Airshow. If you've never been to the Airshow, Gideon, Elijah, Charles, Judith, Elizabeth, Angelica, Scott, Deacon, me, Zephyr, Nehemiah, Moshe, Yaor, I'm telling you, it's going to be a fun day. You're not ready. They're going to be loud and in the sky.
If I fall down, I'm gon' get back up. Even when I fall down, he gon' lift me back up. And I do get chastised even when I act up, cause the Holy One loves me, I'm not a bastard. This a different vibe, stirring up what's inside. And with the heavenly language, I give praises on high. And if you haven't made up your mind, seeking you shall find. Not trying to waste too much time. The young for the strength and the old men for the wisdom. And right now I'm in my prime. So when the end comes, I can stand before his face and he tells me, job well done. Enter through them gates, yeah, one of them 12. When you go through hell, you find out love prevails. So take sail on the rivers of living water and watch them take you farther than any airplane, any charter, any Greyhound bus. When they say the meek shall inherit the earth, he's talking about us. Israel. When I stand back up and I'm firm on my feet, I open up my mouth. Now it's power when I speak. It's signs that confirm everything that I believe. And no, I don't deserve it. That's just him being perfect. When the snake is lurking, I'm steady breaking curses. Used to being worthless, now I'm living with a purpose. Of course, it's endurance until they close the curtains, man. Let it marinate. Yeah, it's such a wonderful feeling to serve the Almighty Creator, so I put my hands to the ceiling. It's all about submission, and I pray that y'all do listen. Please don't miss it, cause when it comes down to having, it's about your daily actions, and I really deserve nothing. Truthfully, I deserve suffering, but he showed me an eyeful. Now when I close my eyes, it's like daily revival. Don't live evil, but be perfect, people. Peace. Wow.
Oh, there it is, up there! Ow, it's feeding it! Go,
Get ready.
get ready for the fish! Yeah, it's probably edging it right now. But
He's going fast, Charles.
Hey, hey.
community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.